Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expertise. Let's talk about an essential that should be in every makeup bag: the Maybelline Unstoppable Waterproof Mechanical Brown Eyeliner Pencil. If you're tired of eyeliner that smudges halfway through the day or needs constant touch-ups, you might want to stick around for this review. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with honest beauty reviews like this. Maybelline has long been a go-to brand for affordable and reliable eye products, and the Unstoppable Waterproof Eyeliner Pencil is no exception. This pencil features a self-sharpening tip and boasts a smudge-resistant, waterproof formula that promises up to 24 hours of wear. Whether you're creating a subtle daytime look or a bold, dramatic eye, this eyeliner claims to provide control and definition with just a few swipes. In terms of ingredients, it's clear that Maybelline prioritized long-lasting wear without compromising on smooth application. The formula is designed to glide on easily and seamlessly, which makes it a great choice for both makeup beginners and seasoned pros. The deep Espresso brown shade is rich and versatile, offering a softer alternative to black eyeliner while still giving that bold, defined look. Now, how does it hold up in real-world use? I tested this eyeliner during a busy day of errands, and I was impressed with how effortlessly it applied. The smooth glide made it easy to achieve both a defined line and a softer, more smudged-out look for the smoky eye effect. Throughout the day, I didn't notice any fading or smudging. Even when I accidentally rubbed my eyes, it stayed put without migrating into the corners of my eyes or creating raccoon-like shadows under my eyes. For anyone who struggles with eyeliner that disappears or smears, this is a game changer. Of course, no product is perfect. The only downside I found was that the tip can be a bit delicate. While the self-sharpening feature is great for convenience, it can lead to the tip breaking if you apply too much pressure. This is something to keep in mind, especially if you prefer a precise thin line. However, the pencil is easy to sharpen if needed, which is a quick fix. Now, let's talk about value for money. At an affordable price point, this eyeliner is a steal for what it delivers. Its waterproof formula, long-lasting wear, and easy application make it a solid choice for anyone who wants a reliable eyeliner without breaking the bank. If you've tried other high-end waterproof eyeliners, you'll find that this one competes with the best of them, all while keeping your wallet happy. In terms of comparisons, there are plenty of other waterproof eyeliners on the market, but Maybelline Unstoppable stands out for its versatility. While pricier options may offer more color variety, the Espresso shade of this pencil is a great middle ground for those who want definition without going too bold. As far as build quality, the pencil itself feels sturdy, and the self-sharpening feature is a clever touch, though you should handle it gently to avoid breaking the tip. This eyeliner is built to last and doesn't seem to dry out or lose its glide after multiple uses, which is a big plus. Mid-review pause. If this review has been helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find it too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this, and if you're ready to grab it, check out the link in the comments. Maybelline has built a reputation for offering affordable, high-quality makeup, and their customer support continues to reflect this ethos. I haven't had to reach out for any issues with this product, but in my experience, Maybelline is quick to respond to any inquiries and provide resolutions. If you're looking for similar products but at a different price point, there are some great drugstore alternatives like L'Oreal Infallible or Revlon Color Stay. They all offer long-wearing, smudge-proof formulas at a comparable price, so it really comes down to personal preference when it comes to shade, texture, and finish. To wrap it up, the Maybelline Unstoppable Waterproof Mechanical Brown Eyeliner Pencil truly delivers on its promises. It's smooth, long-lasting, and smudge-resistant. Everything you want in a go-to eyeliner. If you're after a reliable, everyday eyeliner that won't break the bank, this one is worth trying. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.